When we see a beat up old bomb or a smokestack on a factory spewing out exhaust, it's pretty obvious that this won't do wonders for our health or the environments. But how often do we consider what goes on inside our homes or places of work? Every time we go into any enclosed space, we're exposed to a whole range of pathogens and pollutants. Welcome to my house. Now let's see what we can find here. This can include obvious things such as smoke, mould and dust. These can be found breeding in air conditioner units and exhaust fans, especially in bathrooms, and in the case of smokers, meat. This already seems a formidable amount of pollution to combat, but there are a lot less obvious threats to our health in the home and workplace. Although less obvious, these things can almost pose more of a threat because they are not as conspicuous as the others, and therefore often go unnoticed for extended periods of time.
Well, what are these hidden dangers, Matt?
Good question, my friend, and here is your answer. Possibly the biggest two culprits are paints and carpets. That's right, your fluffy, warm and cozy carpet is trying to kill you.
Surely not my carpet.
Especially your carpet. If you do not see it as a potential threat to the health of you and those around you, chances are it hasn't got the attention it deserves, you grotty little bugger. Synthetic carpet is a haven for volatile organic compounds, which for the purpose of saving time I will refer to as VOCs. These include chemicals such as formaldehyde, acetone, benzene, ethylene, glycol and methane. Now we've all been exposed to a bit of methane at one time or another. Limited exposure to these chemicals rarely poses a serious health concern in the long term. However, exposure to acute levels of VOCs, even for brief amounts of time, can cause serious health issues. This includes irritation to the eyes, nose, ears and throat, as well as headaches, nausea, vomiting and dizziness, not to mention the detrimental effects to asthmatics. Long-term effects of VOC exposure can lead to far more serious conditions such as cancer, liver damage and central nervous system degradation, as well as kidney failure. That being said, it's not all doom and gloom. There are a few very simple and easy ways to combat VOC pollution in the home. This can include a vigilant cleaning regime, good circulation and warm, dry airflow to reduce mould and mildew growth. Dust and mould can easily be cleaned with everyday cleaning products, which also do produce VOCs, but with proper airflow this is a negligible amount. Steam cleaning and shampooing carpet is also a must. Dust mites and mould multiply rapidly in carpet that is not regularly cleaned. Selecting low emission paint is also a necessity, especially for women who are trying to get or are pregnant. Always check lead content. Although less of an issue these days, many older houses are painted with mixtures containing lead, a highly carcinogenic chemical that is not good for babies nor for ladies with babies. Well, that pretty much sums it up. Live like a pig, die like a pig. Live like a saint, won't die from paint.